Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Muiz Iqbal bin Muhajum and I 18 years old. I from Banting, Selangor. Okay.
Taska, sekolah kerajaan dan swasta, termasuklah sekolah harian, sekolah berasrama penuh, sekolah antarabangsa, pusat tahfiz dan lain-lain institusi pendidikan rendah, menengah dan pra-universiti.
Before we start, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of my supporters, especially my family, my friends, my lecturer, because has helped me to reach this point. The point is, in the last March, the world was shocked by the dangerous pandemic virus COVID-19. So, in this new norm, the whole school has been ordered to close immediately. This causes many parents are worried about their child's education. So, Malaysia has overcome this problem by holding ODL, and this ODL learning can add to my experience as this is my first time learning online. The first experience I had was learn to use technology. Before this, I found myself less knowledgeable about technology, but after learning to use ODL, I became more and more intelligent about technology. For example, I'm I'm good at editing videos and using patterns on the keyboard. Next, I was able to find out which applications are important to use during ODL session. For example, Webex, Telegram, and Google Classroom. Lastly, I was able to learn to organize my own schedule to get full attendance for each ODL session held. As a result, I managed to get the right schedule. Although many benefits are derived from ODL, but various problems are also present when studying online. And my biggest problems is internet problems. This is the problem that always happen when I am studying with a lecturer. This problem is also difficult to fix due to inconsistent internet networks. So I feel uneasy to learn. I had to go out of the house to get a smooth internet connection. Next, studying online made me less understanding with some subjects. My learning methods are more likely to be in the classroom because in the classroom the lecturer teaches the subject directly, face to face, rather than online. Besides, it is difficult to do a given task because I am not able to do a given task related to practice. For example, gardening, doing boundaries, and more. This causes I get less knowledge and experience that can be solved from the activity. Lastly, I want to see my friend because I want to know them better.